Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add links to your navigation on Squarespace. The first thing you want to do is go over to the menu option on the left hand corner and you're going to select Pages. Then at the top you will see Main Navigation and you're going to tap on the plus right here. Then from here you are going to select links, so you want to scroll down and you are going to tap on link right here. After doing that, you can create a name for the link right here, so I'll simply put in test. Then you are going to paste the link, so for example I will copy this link right here from this website. Then I'm going to go back into Squarespace and I'll simply paste the link right here. Then tap on save, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.